Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Ally Invest, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Ally Invest, visit the Ally Invest website. Click on the Open an Account button. Choose between a self-directed account or managed portfolio option. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Provide your financial background and investment objectives. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, log in to your Ally Invest account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features available. To fund your account, select the Transfer Funds option. Link your bank account by entering your banking details. Decide on the amount you would like to transfer. After transferring funds, wait for the transaction to complete. Explore the trading platform and tools offered. Use the research tools to analyze stocks, ETFs, and options. Choose your investment strategy based on your goals. To place a trade, select the asset you want to buy or sell. Enter the number of shares and type of order you want to use. Review your order details and confirm the transaction. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track performance. Utilize Ally's educational resources to expand your investment knowledge. Consider setting up alerts for price changes or market news. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure alignment with your goals. Stay informed about market trends and economic news that may impact your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.